Hello viewers, again with another video. Hi, you are watching my YouTube channel Noman Khan Ghazali and I am Noman. Our today topic is different from other topics, but it's confusing also because we are talking about here about watching or seeing or looking. Three words we use for one thing, but there is a difference between them. Let's take a look at the board. Dear fellows, one is look and one is watch and another is see. These three are confusing. Sometimes we don't know which one we have to use. I know, but I'm telling you guys that where you should use look, where you should use see, and where you should use watch. So number first, look. When you try to get someone attention and you try to tell someone that look at a thing and he is looking at someone else or something else, then you say look. Or when you tell someone that where your focus is and where are your eyes fixed, so you use the word look. For example, look at me, we say that look at me, we say that look at me. When we say that this look at me to someone else, we want that person to focus on me. That's why we use look, and the main purpose of look is to get someone focus on yourself, or to tell someone that my focus on is that thing. Look at me, look at the board. Sometimes teachers tell the student that look at the board. The teacher means that the student focus should be on the board. That's why the teacher use the word look. Another word is watch. Watch. We also use watch for seeing or watching. So watch we use, dear fellows, when we look a things for a specific period of time. For example, we watch movies for an hour or 2 hours, 3 hours. Basically, the movie consists of 3 hours or a cartoon clip. So I would say that we use watch when we watch movies, dramas, cartoons. That is called watching, because we look at that thing for a specific period of time. That's why we use watch. I watch TV, but not all the day, just for a specific time and at a fixed time, and not for all the day on 24 hours. I just watch TV for only about 2 hours or 3 hours. The main reason behind this watch using is when we watch something for a specific period of time, that is called we use, then we will use a watch. The last one is dear fellows, see. What we naturally see is seeing. For example, I can see the light, I can see the sun, I can see the stars, I can see the birds, I can see the animals, I can see humans. When nobody is asking us, but what we naturally see, that is called see. We will use see when we are talking about natural things. I see the light, I see the sun. So that was our today topic. I hope you have enjoyed the topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can comment us in the comment box, and like our video, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting and good videos. Thank you. Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Noman atas ko ada mother YouTube channel Noman Khan Ghazali. Manero din naman kita video ko pa English ke practice ta parawa. उस पर हम डाटा रखते हैं तो बहुतों की कोमल हम पर अंचिकम बहुतों जब आधा बहुतों सही शो अगर look watch और see दा रेट की दमंग पर यूज़ के इस्तेमाल हो खुद रेट की जुदा जुदा दी और इस्तेमाली की पे हो जाए की और डिफरेंस पाकिस्तान देते इस्तेमाल चिकम टके पापा कम कम जगह मुंगा इस्तेमाल हो और ये हमारे को look चिकर रहता है चापोकस जानता पड़ा वाले वाले आगे दोबारा बता look इस्तेमाल रखे चिता आगे नज़र पता बंदिशी या उसी तरफ तो इशारा के तो तुझे नज़र दे तरफ तक ना आगे दोबारा बता look इस्तेमाल है लगा look at the board, look at me, look at the wall, look at the door, look at the car, look at the chair, look at the camera. कैमरे तो गुरमु तो वही look at the camera. अलग दाव किसी को नहीं ना वही see at the camera. خلک ویلو کې د کیمرا مطلب چې مې ته ګوره مطلب چې ما مخکې تاسو وایي چې زما طرف ته خپل نظر راواړوه نظر هغه لپاره موږ لوک استعمالو لکه لوک ایټ می ته ځان چې ما ته ګوره لوک ایټ می تاسو خلک وی آر یو لوکینګ ته کوم ځای ته ګوري آی ایم لوکینګ ایټ دی بورډ د بورډ ته ګورم صحیح شو دویم چې کوم دی واچ په موږ استعمال ورکړو چې کله موږ یو سیس ته د سپیسیفیک خاص ټایم لپاره وګورو لکه موږ ډرامې د خاص ټایم لپاره ګورو بیخي ورته ګورو ناسي وته فلم چې کوم دی یو خاص ټایم لپاره ګورو 3 غنټې ورته ناسي ګورو صحیح شو کارټون یو خاص ټایم لپاره ګورو ټول ورځ نه ګورو که نه بس یو فکس ټایم هغې لپاره ګورو کلیپس یې هغه لپاره موږ واچ استعمالوو لکه آی ایم واچینګ ټي وي د ټي وي ګورم آی ایم واچینګ کارټون آی ایم واچینګ ویډیو آی ایم واچینګ نیوز صحیح شوه هغه لپاره موږ واچ استعمالوو چې کوم کلیپس کې جګه شوي لکه زه ته هغې لپاره چې کوم کلیپونه ویډیوګانې هغې لپاره موږ واچ استعمالوو ښه سی مګر موږ خو لکه نیچرلی کوم څیزونه چې نو لکه قدرتي هغې لپاره موږ سی استعمالوو لکه آی سی د مون د سپوږمۍ نما آی سی د سن د نورې نما آی سی یو د تای نما صحیح شوه آی سی د لایټ نما آی سی اټ ما ولیدو صحیح شوه دا درې ونه چې کوم دي ملګرو دا د یو پرپس استعمالېږي خو استعمال بیل بیل امید لرم چې تاسو به په استعمال باندې پوه شوي وي چې د چا څه کوېسچن یې موږ ته په کمنټ صورت کې ضرور راکړئ زموږ ویډیو لایک کړئ ملګرو او چینل ضرور سبسکرایب کړئ انشاءالله په نیکسټ ویډیو کې به ملاویږو تھینک یو والسلام